Okay, so once you have your planner in GoodNotes, you'll see on the side all of the tabs, and those are all active tabs in every screen that you're in. So if you go to January, you'll see that January darkens on the right just to let you know where you're at, and then you can click on any of the days of the month to get to that day. So if you want to go to January 7th, you click on it, it will take you to January 7th. And then all of the week tabs on the side will also take you to the week plan. And so you can get to those pretty easily to make your plans for the week. And then you'll see February. If you click on that, it goes to the month of February. Click on March, and then all of the weeks. So let's just go to January 1st. This is where you can write your to-do list, your goals, and your notes for the day. So if you click at the top where you see the pencil with the circle, click on that. That will get you all of the options to write or draw. You can even import a picture on here if you want, so you can do any of those things. So right now I have it on write, just regular write. So if I want to say my to-do list is go grocery shopping, I can write that there. If you want to use text or typing, you can do that too. Just click on text, and then you can insert text anywhere that you want. So I'm going to go grocery shopping, and I'm going to make dinner. So you can just type in if you would rather type in what you want to do, or you can go back to writing at any time at the top there. So that is the basics of how to use it. Up at the top where you see the two pencils, if you click on that, you can go back to then scrolling, and you can also just swipe to get to where you want to be. So that is the tutorial on how to use the planner.